I'm very scared to ask you anything.
Why do you think I'll tell the truth?
No. Because I'm enjoying this so much also. So now this.
Don't ask me a question.
No, I will.
I think
Because
it's better.
listen, this pairing is legendary, and it's very rare that we say that A to people who are still
Legendary.
acting. See,
बस,
I'm suddenly made
खत्म हो
sound
गई.
very old.
खत्म हो गई.
नहीं, but सुनो, ये बहुत ही amazing. So, what is it about you and Shahrukh that the button just comes on? I mean, when you're on front of the screen, how does it just suddenly come on?
Buttons come off, man.
I put myself into that, didn't I, sir? So does the switch just come on? Let's put it that way.
I honestly think it's also because we don't take ourselves that seriously as you seem to do. I really think that. I think that it's just that we just have fun and we work well together. We're good friends, and I think that's what comes across. Honestly, what do you have to say?
Yes, we are good friends.
We're just good friends.
Kabir sir, can we just hear your voice?
Of course you can.
There we go.
For me, it's just such a privilege being in a Rohit Shetty film that reunites Shah Rukh and Kajol with such a fabulous gathering of actors and cast and talent. And I also want to acknowledge Vinod Khanna's presence in this film, because Vinod and I, we are the root problem of this film. We are the root problem. So Vinod couldn't be here today, but I'm very grateful to be paired against him after a long time. And we began our career many years ago with a film called Kache Dhage. And we've been acting against each other since then. But what a joy to be in this film. What a great team. And I hope you all absolutely enjoy it in the screens as much as I enjoyed shooting it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. What a presence you have. Right. Sir, आप silent mat rahe, Nawab ji. Your muscles have just remained as the same as the last 15 years.
Yes, kind of showed a lot of muscles. I had a great time in Bulgaria. There was a lot of action sequence. I was lucky to do a lot of action there.
Yeah.
Chasing Khan Saab all over Sofia. So that was a great schedule we had.
Chasing
Sofia is a place in Bulgaria.
The Khans
Otherwise you will कल आ जाएगा एक और heroine है Sofia.
Khans are fighting for Sofia.
So I had a great time. Did a lot of action. And I was lucky enough to be even in the other part of the film, which is 15 years later. So I had that little change in that. So I had a great time. Thanks to everyone.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
I'll come to you, sir. It pains me, sir, sometimes to see your films. Look at the cars, sir. What are you doing to all the cars?
Leave that to them. The first question is कि इतनी गाड़ियाँ क्यों उड़ाते हो?
Okay, so I'll leave the cars part. But listen, I've seen you got this really nice car. I've seen your car. I've trailed you one day just to see if it was you. Do you respect your own cars as much?
Yes, obviously.
Yes.
I do. And this is also respect. This is love.
I don't want to know your definition of love
It's a
with
passionate love. You always
Passionate
destroy
love.
the things you love.
is only. But you know, otherwise, you also have this fantastic tag. When actors have their tags of how many millions of crores they've made, you come with that tag also. The thousands of crores that your films have made also. So how do you
How
handle
many
that? I know-
thousands of crores has he blown up? How about that?
But you're always very calm and cool, like, हाँ ठीक है यार, बन गया तो बन गया, and it's made money. But so somewhere along the line, do you ever celebrate the success? Is there like, yes, I made the 500 crores? Do you ever feel like that?
Not really. Actually, they always tell me कि आप ऐसे क्यों? आपको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. फिल्म बन गई या फिल्म इतनी हिट हो गई है, whatever जो पहले भी हुई है. It's just that I love working and I just thank God and the audience that everything what I'm doing is working. That's
And the
all.
hair is not going to come back.
I'm loving it. I'm continuing my father's legacy, so I'm happy with it.
And now, for the young white in shining, or rather knight in white shining armor. Varun, you have rocked it, and now this is it. It's Shah Rukh sir and you're coming in there. It's almost like your opening, it's like the opening act.
You know, it's this is a really crazy moment, I think, for me. Maybe you can call it destiny, because before I became an actor in films, I was an AD on My Name is Khan, which was the last film that Shah Rukh sir and Kajal ma'am did before this. And I would go knock on their door and give them their call times.
And he actually gave call time this morning as well.
No. Today also I tried.
Actually call time दिया उसने सुबह 5:30.
In fact, even I have done that.
For both of them.
For me.
For her.
हाँ, प्यार तो होना ही था. राजू चाचा. even I
Did
have
she
done
shout at you when?
that. Never.
She shouted at
I
me
was a good
once.
AD. I'm a good.
He was an awesome AD.
I was a bad AD,
Always.
but I hope I'm a good actor. So so this is really special. Before I started, I always said that Rohit Shetty is one of my favorite directors. I want to work with him one day. So 3 years into my career, I'm getting to live this dream, and I can't say anything else that God is great. Rohit sir, you're great. Kajol ma'am, you're great. And Shah Rukh sir, thank you. Thank you. You're great.
And Varun, you're great as well. You're making so
yeah,
much.
The other Varun has said that he's cute. I want to hear what this Varun has to say for himself now. What do you think you're like in the film?
And don't be modest now, come on.
No, I'm not going to
No
be more. I
modest.
think
Let me say it, he's the most conscientious, hardworking, dedicated actor I've worked in years. And he's really, really brilliant. Genuinely. He'll be the standout point of this film, inshallah, when the film releases.
Shah Rukh said it's an honor and a privilege. There was only one name that was left in my little book of having done a show with for a while. So thank you so much for this opportunity. And I have to say, your stardom grows as much as the scale and everything. It's always so brilliant. So when you see your films, when you see the trailer, can you ever be objective about it sometimes? Are you able to, do you smile inside as well? At that point of time, do you feel just happy that it's all over and it's all looking lovely and big?
Not really, you can't. Actually, it's a feeling of emptiness. जब film बन जाती है, सब इतने अच्छे लोग, सबने इतनी मेहनत की. So actually today it's kind of sad when you present your film outside to the world, because उसके बाद मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि film हमारी नहीं रहती. And so भी हमारी नहीं रही है. तो हम चाहेंगे कि जब ये बाहर आ गई है तो जितने भी लोग उसको देखें उतना ही प्यार करें जितना प्यार से हमने उसको बनाई है. So it's I always say it's like giving away a daughter. So it's that kind of a day. I cannot sit down and watch it and get happy and कि हमने कुछ कमाल कर दिया. कमाल हम नहीं करते हैं, कमाल वो करते हैं जिनको फिल्म अच्छी लगती है देखने के बाद. So hopefully we worked hard and we'll make sure it goes through once again and people like it, because in a certain sense Rohit and me have worked together, but most of the people here who are friends and colleagues for years, I feel a little responsible that I should not let them down in this film. Not because I'm the star of the film or something, but because somewhere I've got the team together. So I wish that I make sure that everybody is happy, especially Pritam Da. He's done 2 romantic songs for Shah Rukh and Kajol. Iski to vaat lagne
And
wali
he
hai
wore a
usko.
suit.
Yeah, and suit. And just a second, because the way we came, हम थोड़ा गुम गए थे, तो हमारे जो writers हैं film के, साजिद और फराद यहाँ पे हैं, so I'd like to call
have
them
they
on
come?
stage
Yes.
so they can please come. हालांकि उन्होंने सूट नहीं पहना है.
Hello, sir.
ज़्यादा फिट मत होना, ऐसा गिर जाएंगे हम लोग. इधर
And keep tweeting those photographs of your son. We love them.
No, I've been told not to tweet them anymore, यार.
No, I think they're fantastic.
वो साला मुझसे ज़्यादा famous होता जा रहा है.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I open it out to the entire press here. We can start with as soon as I see a hand up.
Just say your name and the question you want to
Yes,
ask the
please.
actor or the director or
खान
technician.
साहब मेरा नाम आलोक है, मैं OFM आज तक से.
मुझे मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता था नाम आलोक है, अगर तूने बताया नहीं होता आलोक.
सर डी से डॉन भी हुए, डी से देवदास भी हुए, अभी डी से दिलवाले भी आ चुकी है. आपके हिसाब से, आपको लोग दिलवाला कहते हैं, आपके हिसाब से कौन होता है दिलवाला आपके हिसाब से?
हमारी फिल्म का भी वही मीनिंग है एक्चुअली. यू नो, ones who can forgive, forget and move on, and होल्ड नहीं करते, एरोगेंस नहीं रखते, ईगो नहीं. तो गलत हो गया यार, मैं तो सब कुछ हुई है. बट people who have large hearts are the people who can forgive, forget and move on and love each other. I think that's as simple as that.
I saw a hand. Yeah.
Hi, Shahrukh. The trailer looks great. I mean, absolutely fantastic.
Just introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Arjun. I'm from International Business Times UK. My question is, how many references to Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge are there in this film?
यही है रेफरेंस जो है. इससे बड़ा रेफरेंस और क्या हो सकता है?
Because Chennai Express, your last collaboration with Mr. Rohit Shetty, usme bhi there was a sequence where you were, you know, bringing those goons on board the train, and आपने कहा कि ये मैं पहले कर चुका हूँ, and you know, similar kind of scenes or dialogues in this film as well for the fans who would want to kind of see.
Actually, you know, it's very first. Kajol, me feel very honored. Director of Rohit's caliber, one of his favorite films is Dilwale. And to say it again, that one of the favoriteest directors that Aditya Chopra has, who's made Dilwale, is Rohit Shetty. So it's a strange kind of a mutual admiration without them actually meeting each other or talking about each other. तो वो दोनों इतनी, मैं जब भी अलग-अलग वक्त पे दोनों को मिलता हूँ, तो तो एक दूसरे की इतनी तारीफ करते हैं जस्ट फॉर द वर्क ईच हैज डन. आई थिंक दैट रिस्पेक्टेबिलिटी एंड रिस्पेक्ट फॉर वर्क. सो समवेयर डाउन द लाइन आई थिंक जस्ट फॉर द फन एलिमेंट वी हैड इट इन चेन्नई. और इसमें तो हम ही हैं यार, अब इससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या बोलूँ, कौन सा रेफरेंस हो सकता है.
And then we took it seriously in Dilwale.
या
All right, thank you.
हाय शाहरुख सर. सर सुवेग्या. सर मैं दिल्ली से हूँ
हाय
सर.
सुवेग्या.
सर थैंक यू सो मच. सर मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ सर. मतलब मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता.
मगर बताएगा ज़रूर ना फिर भी.
सर बस एक बार आपको हक करना चाहता था.
अच्छा वो हम दूसरे थिएटर में कर लेंगे, दूसरे थिएटर में हक हो जाएगा.
सर
मेरी फूटी किस्मत लड़के याद करते हैं मेरे को सिर्फ.
सर आई एम ऑल्सो ट्राइंग इन film industry, so just give me a
Wow, an open audition call.
Sir, just give me a clue because
Sweet. Okay, so we move on to the
keep
next.
doing what you're doing. Yeah. God bless.
Okay, moving ahead. Yeah, on the in the front there, the lady in the front.
Hello.
I'm going to try and send the mic across to you. Yeah, it's behind you. The mic is behind you.
Hello.
Behind you. आपके पीछे. हाँ. Okay.
Hello, sir. Your trailer was amazing. I just loved it. My question is, I'm Veena from NDTV. My question is to Varun and Kriti. There is a legendary couple in your film. तो आपको डर नहीं लगा कि कहीं आपका पैर overshadow ना हो जाए या फिर sort of something like that?
Varun will answer this first.
No, not at all, actually, you know, because first of all, I mean, from what you gathered, I'm playing his younger brother in the film. And I think when you play someone's brother, these things like insecurity, jealousy, and all, it can't come to your mind. I have an older brother in my real life as well, so I try to get into the skin of my character, so I don't feel any of this. I do love him a lot, I do love her a lot, and do love her a lot as well. So this film is not only just like one commercial film coming, it's an emotional film. So everything that we all do together, we all stand by each other, and I just hope, like a younger brother, I can support him till the end in this film. And obviously Rohit sir is there to look after what happens with that track, and he'll do the best in that. And I too, like Chucha, feel that I'm good in the film as well. So
I think in this film, Rohit sir has kind of made sure that everyone has a separate track and everyone is, you know, in their own space and they stand out. But also, as you see, there are two love stories going on. एंड शाहरुख काजोल से कोई कंपेयर कर ही नहीं सकते, तो हम सपने में भी नहीं सोच रहे थे कि हम वहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे या कुछ. आई होप दैट वी वर एबल टू क्रिएट हाफ द मैजिक दैट दे बोथ डू एंड वील बी हैप्पी विद दैट.
बट हम लोग ने, हमारी लव स्टोरी में एक बहुत यूनिक चीज़ है. आप खड़ी हो जाओ, दुनिया को दिखा देते हैं आज हमारा.
मैंने आज फ्लैट्स क्यों पहने ये दिखाते हैं हम. आओ.
मैंने हील्स पहने हैं, इन्होंने फ्लैट्स पहने हैं, और ये काफ़ी लंबी लड़की. नो, आई एम ट्राइंग टू कट माई हाइट सो पीपल फील. तो एक्चुअली हम लोग ये हाइट पे होते थे. यू स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, डोंट वरी. एंड आई थिंक फॉर ऑल द बॉयज आउट देयर हु लव टॉलर गर्ल्स देन देम, इट इज़ पॉसिबल. प्लीज गो आउट देयर एंड ट्राई.
And we've actually used this. Rohit sir has used this fact, my height factor, in the film also, which is in good humor. But ये actually इसको लगता है कि बहुत छोटा है, इतना छोटा नहीं है ये.
नहीं हूँ मैं, ऐसे ही बोलता हूँ.
I
We
enjoyed
know
that.
you.
I was fine with everyone standing on a
Shut up,
platform.
even you did it, okay? Don't lie.
Hi, Shahrukh, in the center. Anita here from BNS. Shahrukh, with every film you raise the bar, and recently Varun said that this film will make Indians proud at the global level. What do you have to say on that?
Actually, as a part of Red Chillies, I mean, I'll just talk about Red Chillies and Rohit Shetty Productions. Raising of the bar is by the creative team. Rohit's team, actually, you know, who's always behind the scene, and Red Chillies team, who are helping to take the vision a little further than what we have. And inshallah, I don't know, film jab aayegi, humne koshish bahut ki कि it has elements of what an international quality film should look like, with a family feel, the heart of Indians. It's actually a family happy comic film coming on the right time. But beyond that, everything else in terms of the technology and the technique of the film, sound, everything should be international. I think that credit goes to Rohit. So हमने कोशिश की है, और inshallah it will always be a step up from the last film.
Thank you.
हाय काजोल, अनुप्रिया, प्रभात खबर न्यूज़पेपर से. आपकी और शाहरुख की जब भी जोड़ी आती है काफ़ी चर्चाएं होती है, और जो गाना है रोमांटिक गाना की हमेशा चर्चा रहती है. तो
आपकी क्या मेमोरीज जोड़ी है और आपके लिए ये जोड़ी क्या मायने रखती है?
Memories, I hate anecdotes honestly. तो बताने के चक्कर में जाऊँ तो I think it's it's boring for me to hear. So I'll just talk about let's talk about what we did in this film. इस picture के बारे में बता दूँ. We shot in Iceland for the song, and it's actually we shot the song in 7 days. We start to finish, we finished the song in 7 days. Or we have worked like dogs in cold weather, nearly died, turned blue. वो जो blue दिलवाले का था वो हमारा actually skin का रंग हो गया था by the end of the shot. But we had a great time, and we had a great time. गाना बहुत अच्छा था. Or we loved the song so much also. So I think जब आप देखोगे screen पे, I think you have seen snippets of it in the trailer. But I think it's just looking so magical and so amazing that I think the magic that you keep talking about as a pairing also comes from that fact, honestly.
हेलो काजोल मैम, मेरा भी आपसे सवाल है. मेरा नाम रवि कुमार है एंड आई एम फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड नाउ.
सॉरी मेरे को कुछ दिखता नहीं है 4 फीट के बाद में.
श्योर. मैम मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि आप इतने दिनों बाद आप बड़े स्क्रीन पर वापस आ रही हैं और आप अपने फैमिली कमिटमेंट्स के ज़रिए के चलते आप फिल्मों से दूर रहीं. तो अभी आप वापस शाहरुख सर के साथ आप आ रही हैं फिल्में. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि फिल्म करने के दौरान आप
अजय वाज बेबी सिटिंग.
या फैमिली कमिटमेंट्स होती है, राइट? तो इसके चलते आपको कितनी तकलीफें झेलनी पड़ी होती है ना, काफ़ी मैनेज करना पड़ता है टाइम.
आई थिंक टाइम मैनेज करना पड़ता है, उनसे तकलीफें झेलनी पड़ती हैं. आई डोंट कंसिडर दैट द राइट कॉन्टेक्स्ट रियली, लेकिन आई थिंक एवरी पर्सन, एवरी वुमन हु वर्क्स, who has kids always feels that guilt. आपको हमेशा ये फीलिंग लगती है कि यू नो ओ गॉड आई एम नॉट स्पेंडिंग इनफ टाइम विद माई किड्स, और मेरे बच्चे घर पे क्या कर रहे होंगे, मैं इतने दिन छोड़ के गई हूँ उनको. तो ये हमेशा एक गिल्टी फीलिंग होती है हर माँ में, एंड इट्स समथिंग दैट वी हैव टू बैटल डेली. हर रोज़ इस वक्त भी मेरे बच्चे घर पे हैं, एंड आई स्टिल फील दैट नो यू नो आई शुड बी देयर, मुझे होना चाहिए वहाँ पे. You know, I need to give them their dinner, lunch, whatever. And so that's something that you have to face, you have to confront every day. And I have had a great time working for the film. जैसे मैंने कहा, Ajay has very sweetly and nicely supported me. So all the days, जितने दिन मैं बुल्गारिया में थी और जितने दिन मैं आइसलैंड में थी, और he was very sweet and he stayed at home and took care of my kids. So I'm very happy and I'm very lucky that I have a husband like
बच्चे पहले जब काजोल घर में थी तो लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी सुनते थे. अब अजय उनको सुनाता है आजा माजी सटक ली. So थोड़ी सी लोरियां बदल गई, अदरवाइज सेम.
This is Nayandeep from DNA. My question is to Kajol ma'am. Straight. Yeah.
On the left, yeah.
So, ma'am, in an interview, you had said that Nisa always wanted you to do a Rohit Shetty film.
Yeah.
And you said that Golmaal is something that I can't be a part of. Now that you are a part of a Rohit Shetty film, what was the first reaction of Nisa?
Nisa was very happy. In fact, she convinced me. She was like, Mom, you have to do this film. And I was like, you know, baby, I'm going to be out of town. Or, you know, I'm going to go for this outdoor and I'm not going to be with you. I'm not going to spend time with you. And she was like, you know, Mom, you have to do this film. I want you to do this. I want you to do a film where you're not crying. I'm tired of you doing this film. हर पिक्चर में जहाँ पे मैं देखने जाती हूँ तो आप रोना शुरू कर देते हो. एक कोई हंसी खुशी की पिक्चर करो that I can watch आराम से without any tension. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it. So really, that's how I got convinced, honestly. And of course, first and foremost, the fact that you know, the script was really awesome. Rohit and Shahrukh, of course, both of them together. So I have had a great time working.
All right,
hello?
take the last couple of questions.
हेलो हाय हाय हाय. सबसे पहले आप सभी को हैप्पी दिवाली. और आज धनतेरस है, तो ये कहेंगे कि क्या इस सभी के लिए गिफ्ट है आज का? हेलो.
Gift of Dhanteras.
धनतेरस. या.
God willing, it will be a golden jubilee. और ये गिफ्ट हमको भी मिलेगा धनतेरस के लिए.
Johnny sir, here, straight, yeah. You have worked with Shah Rukh Khan in many films. You have had a great, memorable association with him. You started with Bazigar. कुछ बताइए सर, कुछ पास्ट में जाके कैसा रहा आपका एसोसिएशन? How much has Shah Rukh Khan changed? कुछ
नहीं, वो वाकई मैं तो पहले इस बात की खुशी थी मेरे लिए कि मैं काजोल और शाहरुख भाई के साथ कर रहा हूँ इतने सालों बाद। बाजीगर, कोयला, करण अर्जुन, बहुत सारी पिक्चरें, 7-8 पिक्चरें की हमने। लेकिन इस पिक्चर में काम करते हुए मैं बहुत नर्वस था पहले। बोले यार, क्योंकि शाहरुख भाई बिल्कुल मैजिक लग रहे थे। मैंने इससे पहले कहा भी कि मैं बहुत साल पहले एक बाजीगर के साथ काम किया, फिर कोयला और करण अर्जुन में कारीगर के साथ काम किया, अभी मैं एक जादूगर के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ। तो वाकई बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत एंजॉय किया हमने, बहुत मज़ा आया।
और मैं जॉनी भाई के बारे में बता दूं, आई थिंक इट्स बिन सिंस बाजीगर फॉर दैट मैटर, आई हैव सच इमेंस रिस्पेक्ट फॉर हिम. I honestly do, because I don't think that anybody remains funny for so long so well. Really, I really have so much respect for you. Really, honestly.
Hello, Shahrukh here.
Left.
No, you're known to be a marketing guru. With every new movie, you have come up with new promotion strategy and new tie-ups. Can you tell us something about the promotion? What new tie-ups can we see?
ये थोड़ा मिसनोमर है यार। मुझे मार्केटिंग का इतना मालूम नहीं। हमारी टीम है, मनीष, करुणा और रेड चिलीज़ की, तो वही लोग करते हैं जो करते हैं। मैं जैसे फिल्म का श्रेय मैं सारा का सारा ले जाता हूँ जब वो हिट हो जाती है, वैसे मार्केटिंग का भी मैं ले जाता हूँ। सो देयर इज़ नथिंग दैट वी डू। हमारी जो फिल्म की बिलीफ होती है, जो फीलिंग होती है, दैट्स व्हाट वी पुट फोर्थ टू द ऑडियंस। दिस लाइक आई सेड फैमिली फिल्म है, एक हैप्पी फैमिली फिल्म है, खुशगवार फिल्म है। सो वी विल जस्ट टेल पीपल टू इन्फॉर्म एवरीवन कि इसमें जो है खुशी होगी और एक ड्रामा है इस फिल्म के अंदर, एक इश्यूज बिटवीन family and a lot of comedy, as you would have noticed. So all that is going to be is what we just go and tell people. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ मार्केटिंग का मतलब यह है कि लोगों को हम इन्फॉर्म कर दें कि हमारी फिल्म किस बारे में है, क्योंकि इतना महंगा टिकट लेकर आ रहे हैं, उन्हें पहले मालूम होना चाहिए। Beyond that, there is nothing special. Tonight is special कि आप सब लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, फैंस आए हुए हैं फिल्म देखने के लिए। एंड जब भी हम कोई बड़ा इवेंट करते हैं जैसे ये है, या जब भी करेंगे इंशाल्लाह, the idea is we are celebrating the release of a film. Actually, we're doing nothing more special than that. And if any credit has to go, then it has to go to the marketing team which puts the law up. मुझे आइडिया बोलते हैं, हम कहते हैं हम पहुंच जाएंगे, हम अपना ब्लैक सूट पहन के पहुंच जाते हैं। मेरे को मार्केटिंग नहीं पता, तुम टिकट प्राइसेस पूछने लग गई हो। मैं तो बहुत साल हो गए थिएटर में पिक्चर देखे हुए मुझको, और मैं जब भी आता हूँ मुझसे टिकट का पैसा ही नहीं लेते वो लोग। So I don't know, I don't think so. I think first time हमने step लिया है कि हम फिल्म को distribute खुद कर रहे हैं रेड चिलीज़ के through. So let's see how it goes, and we'd not like to do it. I mean, we'd like to keep it as simple as possible.
Hi Shahrukh. Shahrukh here.
Top left sir, top left.
सर हाल ही में आपने एक बयान दिया था इंटॉलरेंस पे, उसके बाद काफी
यार इस पे आज ना, इस पे नहीं करेंगे यार बात। नहीं, that is why I am here ना, ताकि ये आंसर ना हो, है ना यार, इस पे नहीं आते ना। सो आज वो फिल्म,
Shahrukh, can you?
Sir, it's actually not the place for this. We are just here to present you this.
Sir, actually don't probe into that ना, then answer will come and then you know what can happen.
फिल्म के बारे
So
में
let's
कुछ
move
भी
into that.
पूछ लो ना, हम लोग उसके लिए आए हैं।
Sir, okay. Next question please. Anybody next? Yeah, on the extreme right over here.
I mean, I'm sure Shahrukh would agree with me on that we've done a lot of films, and safety measures have changed from what they were earlier to what they are today.